We could walk on this road forever and probably not see anybody. Nothing but animals and me.
Roll that intro.
I am Anonymous Biker USA.
Welcome back, guys. We're going to take a ride today. Not quite sure exactly where. Taking you with me. Guys, for those of you who are not familiar with the area, I'm going to put a map up here and show you where we are. But we are in a pretty northeast central part of Pennsylvania, and this is the entry to Ricketts Glen State Park. They have all kind of waterfalls. You got to hike pretty far in to get there. So Ricketts Glen State Park, tons of waterfalls. Let's take a look. Waterfalls. Hope you enjoyed it. That road we just came up that you saw, it said took us up 2,449 feet, and from what I could see, it feels like it's about a 10-degree temperature drop, and the lake behind me is frozen up here. So it was about 50 degrees at the bottom of the hill, but the higher we keep climbing, obviously it's getting colder. Feels like it's like the high 30s up here. Look at all the snow still up here. So it said that there's some kind of lake up here, so we're going to take a ride up, see what that has, and check it out. Thanks. So we just parked the bike up in the lot, and we're walking down to this big lake, which also seems frozen. So let's take a look and see what this is. There's all kind of cabins in here and everything you can stay at. It's pretty neat. So let's take a walk down and get a closer look at the lake. Now we got an ice machine. I think with the whole lake frozen, not much need for that. If you listen, can you hear the gunshots? Hear those gunshots? A lot of hunters up here. Hear them? Listen. Coming from over there. We have about 60 miles to go to get back home, so thanks for watching, and don't forget.
I am Anonymous Biker USA.